If you enjoy this story, or there's a story you would like me to read, please subscribe and tell me in the comments. Cinderella. First stepsister, second stepsister, stepmother, castle, fairy godmother, shoe, Cinderella. Cinderella lived with her stepmother and stepsisters. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters made Cinderella clean the house. One day there was a ball at the castle. "Can I go to the ball?" said Cinderella. "No," said the stepsisters. "You don't have a dress," said the first stepsister. "You do not have any shoes," said the second stepsister. A fairy godmother came to Cinderella's house. She made Cinderella a beautiful dress and some beautiful shoes. Cinderella put on her beautiful dress. She put on her beautiful shoes. "Now I can go to the ball," she said. The prince danced with Cinderella. After the ball, the prince found Cinderella's shoe. "I will marry the girl who will fit this shoe," he said. The prince came to Cinderella's house. "Is this your shoe?" he said. "Yes, this is my shoe," said the first stepsister. But the shoe did not fit. "Is this your shoe?" said the prince. "Yes, this is my shoe," said the second stepsister. But the shoe did not fit. "Is this your shoe?" said the prince. "Yes," said Cinderella. She put on the shoe and it fit. "Will you marry me?" said the prince. "Yes," said Cinderella. So she did. Who does Cinderella live with? That's right, she lives with her stepmother and two stepsisters. What does the fairy godmother make for Cinderella to wear? That's right, she makes her a dress and a pair of shoes. How does the prince find Cinderella after the ball? He looks for whoever the slipper fits. Can you remember the order which things went in? So firstly, Cinderella was cleaning. Then the fairy godmother came. Then Cinderella went to the ball. Then the prince found Cinderella and put the shoe on her foot.